forces of the left, Ambedkarite forces, all forces who today have figured out that the one and sole enemy of the Indian people right now is the fascists. All of those forces have to come together, not just the left forces on the left and not just the Ambedkarite forces, but all of that. And there is constant negotiation. Even the Jantar Mantar protests were a result of this kind of unity amongst the student movements of the left and Ambedkarite movements. So yeah, I think that is one thing. Which you asked about how not talking about Muslims in today's fascist state is like talking in Nazi Germany and not talking about what is happening to the Jews in the Holocaust. It's actually very rightly true. But what is also true is that where you can on one hand say that this movement talked about education, it did not also incorporate the minority question. I would say that it made a lot of things possible. One was that the fact that it made this idea of dividing people on the basis of Pakistani anti-national. For the first time it so happened that people realized that when the state calls you Pakistani or when it calls you anti-national, it's just the government calling you that. There's no stigma attached to it. Earlier, the same people who would be sitting behind television screens and clapping when the CA protests were happening and the primetime anchor was saying, oh, these are all Pakistanis, ISI agents, they would be pointing at JNU and saying, oh, these are all urban Naxals, and people would be clapping behind their screens. Those people actually came out in solidarity with us in Jantar Mantar and said that this mistake that we committed of voting the BJP in power again and again is not true. So there is a possibility due to the movement that for us to realize कि अगर आज हमें पाकिस्तानी और एंटी नेशनल बोला जा रहा है क्योंकि हम धर्मेंद्र प्रधान का इस्तीफा मांग रहे हैं और वो सच नहीं है, तो इससे पहले जितने इस तरीके के लेबल्स क्रिएट किए गए हैं जो कि ऑफकोर्स स्पेसिफिकली एंटी मुस्लिम नैरेटिव्स हैं, एंटी लेफ्ट नैरेटिव्स हैं, registered धर्मेंद्र प्रधान रेजिग्नेशन, it helped us think of the way this country was looking at each other, at the people, how the citizens were looking at each other.